How to prepare Prekese tea, Prekese drink recipe. Prekese drink ingredients: 1 pieces of Prekese, split into 2 or 3. 1 medium-size fresh ginger. Lemon, optional. Honey, optional. Instructions: How to make Prekese tea for weight loss. First and foremost, wash the Prekese thoroughly, thereafter bruise it and break into smaller pieces. Secondly, place the broken pieces of Prekese into the pot. Thirdly, slice your ginger or grate using a grater and add to the pot. Transfer the pot to your stovetop and add enough water, cover and allow boiling over high heat. This allows the ginger to fully absorb the juice. Allow to boil for about 10 minutes. The longer it soaks, the more juice and taste it releases from its pods. Remove from heat. Strain the mixture through a fine strainer to remove the ginger stem. Then, to taste, add honey if you like, else drink without honey. Finally, strain the juice into a dish or container and chill in the refrigerator if possible. To be taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach 45 minutes before food, and at night, drink hot if using for weight loss. You may serve it as hot tea or cold juice/drink. Is there any spiritual benefit of using Tetrapleura tetraptera plant? Basically, for any fruit or plant to work for you, it all depends on your belief. It is believed to bring good luck, chase away bad and evil spirit,